So good morning, children. Good morning, grade 1. Good morning, grade 2. Before we start our new lesson this morning, kindly stand up for our opening prayer. Sir Albu, kindly lead the prayer. So, amen. So good morning once again, children. So, how are you this morning? Did you eat your breakfast? Okay, but before we sit down, we have an energizer to energize our morning.
Right hand. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Okay. Did you eat your breakfast, children? Okay, very good. But before we sit down, kindly pick up some pieces under your chair, and if you are done, kindly sit down and arrange your chair properly. Okay, grade 1, who are absent this morning? Okay, no one. How about group 2? Who are absent this morning? Okay, no one. Let's give ourselves into a very good clap. So, teachers do first and you will follow after me. So, very good clap, something like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, children, if you have rules that you need to follow in your house, we have also rules in our classroom. So, number 1, please read all boys. So, listen when someone is speaking. Number 2, read all together, girls. Raise your hand if you want to speak. Number 3, read everybody. Work quietly and do not disturb others. And number 4, read all together. Show respect. Those are the rules that we need to obey in order for us to have a peaceful flow of discussion. All I heard, children, did you know what is this? So the jar. So it represents to you a group 1 and the group 2. So each jar, you will work as a team and you will participate. You will gain a star. So each star represent into a points. Did you understand, children? So the grade 1, I will group you into two groups. So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So same as the grade 2. I will group you into two groups. And this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay? Did you understand, class? So now, so do you have an assignment yesterday, children? Yes, if we have, kindly pass it in front so that we can check if your answers are correct. Grade 2, try to scan your notes about yesterday's lesson because later on I will ask each of you about our last topic yesterday. So I will pass in front your assignment. So we will check if your answers are correct. Okay, grade 1, before we going proceed to our new lesson, who can still remember our last topic yesterday? Okay, it's all about, yes, Anne. Okay, very good. We talk about the different sound of each letter. Now, who can give me a letter and give them a sound? Sunable. So very good. A sound of letter A is ah. So what else? Okay, Hannah. Yes, letter B. It's the sound of the letter B is B. B. So again, what else? Letter C. The sound of letter C is C. Okay, very good. All your answers are correct. So let's give them a very good clap. A very good clap. Something goes like this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. So grade 1. Do you want an up games? I will give you 3 points. So, what is the standard of reading? You need to read it quietly. Are you ready, children? Because later on, I will ask you about your idea about this picture. I will provide some picture and you will say something about it. Because later on, I will come back you later. So, are you ready, children? Your time start now. So, group 2, good morning. Did you already scan your notes? Okay. What's our last topic yesterday? It's all about, yes, Giselle? Yes, it's all about rhyming words. So what is all about? Who can give me an example of rhyming word? Yes, Nabli? Yes, Nabli answered. Example of hat and fat. So did you see the similarity of the sounds of the ending of the letters like cat and pat? It sounds like ending sounds like a at. Okay, did you understand? Okay, very good. Who can else give an example? Okay, it's about. Okay, very good. It's hat and pat. All your answers are correct. So who can give me an definition of rhyming words? Remigio. Rhyming words, one or two words ending of a words that the same sound. Those are rhyming words. So let's give ourselves a very good clap. It goes something like this. One, two, three. One, two, three. Very good, very good. So I know that you are already understand our yesterday's topic. Now, do you want have an activity or a game, children? Okay, now grade 2, do you want an activity? So I put some different picture under your chair and you will identify which part of this. It's either a person, things, or animals. But always remember our classroom rules. Do it quietly so that you cannot make any noise. Did you understand, children? I'll give you 2 minutes to do this activity because later on I will come back to you and I will check if your answers are correct. Did you understand, children? Okay, very good. Hello, grade 1. Are you ready? So, what's the pictures is all about? Nable? Yes, a farm. Exactly. What do you do when you visited your farm? Yes, we do feeding animals or harvesting our fruits. Did you see when you are visiting your farm? Yes, and animals and fruit. Who among you here already visited in their farm? Almost all of you. Very good. So now, did you have an idea about our new lesson this morning? Okay, Sagario, do you have an idea about our new lesson this morning? Okay, very good. Who have a idea? Other idea? Okay, Nable. Yes, other idea, Remigio? Okay, our our new topic this morning is all about action word. But before we proceed our new topic, let's read first our lesson objectives. So, at the end of a 15 minutes lesson, the student should be able to identify action word. The second one, write action word and a complete sentence. Lastly, participating actively in class by giving example of action words. So today our new topic is all about action word. But before we read the story entitled about Pan Moment and the Farm, Let us discover first some difficult word we encountered later in reading the story. So the first one is the visit, harvest, frame, and enjoy. Those are the difficult word we encountered later in reading the story. Are you ready, class, to read our story? I will provide a copy or hard copy to you. Then read this silent. And remember always our standard in school. Read it quietly so that you cannot make some noise in our classroom. Did you understand, class? Because later on, we will check your activity if you're really understand of our story or topic today. So grade 1, before I forgot, there are some guided question that you need to answer later after you read the story. You may now proceed grade 1. Now grade 2, are you done with your activity? Let's check if your answers are correct. Did you put the correct heading of each object? Okay, grade 2. All your answers are correct. So, do you have an idea about our new topic this morning? Okay, Ramos. Very good. It's all about noun. But before we start our discussions, let us first read our learning objectives. So at the end of this 50 minutes lesson, the student should be able to first recognize noun. And the second one, identify the noun in the sentence. And then lastly, categorize the noun if it is a name of a person, things, animals, of an event. But group 2, before we read the story, let's discover first some difficult word that we encountered later in reading the story. Are you ready, grade 2? Okay, very good. So the first word is summer. And then the second one is season. And the third one is surfing. And the last one in the fourth is shore. Okay, those are some difficult words that we encountered later in reading the story. But before we proceed, there are some guided questions that we need to answer after the reading a story. So the first is, what is the noun of the story? And then the second one is, who are playing a beach ball? And then the third one is, what is the young lady doing things? And then the fourth one is, what is Ben doing? And then the last is, who can tell me what is noun? Okay, but before we proceed our main topic, did you know the standard of our school? We need to read it quietly, not to create some noise. Did you really understand, class? Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes and you may start now. Now, grade 1, are you ready to answer some guided question today's? Let's answer the questions. Very good. So, are you done? So, what is noun in our story? So, a noun is the name of place, things, animals, and place. Okay, very good. Let's give Nabli a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Then the second question is, who are playing in the beach ball? Okay. Nable. Okay. Sandy is at the beach. Correct. Very good. And the third question is, what is the young ladies doing? Okay, Remigio. Very good. The young lady is surfing the sea. And then the fourth one is, what is Ben doing? Susagario. Very good. Ben is walking the dog along the shore. And the last one is, give me more example of noun. So, who can? Yes, ikat. Very good. Yes, Albo. Very good. Nable. Yes, a dog. All your answers are correct. So let's give them a 5 million clap. Did you know that already, the 5 million clap class? Okay, let's do it together. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Congratulations. Okay, grade 2. Now grade 2. Is there any questions or clarifications? If none, we will have an activity. So I will group you into 3 groups also. This will be the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. And always remember our classroom rules standard that we need to doing an activity, we need to quiet in order for us to avoid some noise. Okay, for the group 1 directions is, draw animals that are favorite and colored it with the crayons. And the instruction for the group 2, choose an celebrity or actors. And the instruction for the group 3, I will give you 5 minutes for doing your activity and we will check that later. Okay, are you ready? I will give you 5 minutes only. Okay, group 1, let's check your... Okay, grade 1, group 1, let's check your activity. Okay, all your answers are correct. How about the group 2? Okay, the group 2 got the same score with the group 1. Perfect. Good job. How about the group 3? Yes, your answers are correct. Now, let's going, we have an, you need to answer some questions. So direction, you choose the correct answer of the following items. So for the grade 2, are you ready? Are you done? So now we can check your activity. So let's check for the group 1. Okay, your answers are correct. How about the group 2? Okay, your answers also are correct. Perfect. How about the group 3? Yes, excellent. All you get is perfect scores. Again, grade 1. What is an action word? It is a word that state action. Like for example, walking, running. Okay, did you understand, class? How about grade 2? What is noun? A name? Okay, nable. Okay, very good. A name of place. How about Remigio? Okay, a name of animals. Very good. How about Mondoñedo, what is noun? Give me an example of noun. Okay. Juban teacher. Okay, very good. Since you already understand our topic this morning, you can write your assignment. Are you done? So, I think that would be all. Goodbye, class.